Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar. I am Madhuvanti, your presenter for today's insightful exploration into lead profiling automation powered by AppPSeCONNECT. My role revolves around tailoring our solution to effectively address the challenges our client face. So, here is the agenda for today. First of all, is the unmasking challenges in manual lead profiling. Introducing lead profiling automation. Nextly, traditional versus automated, a strategic comparison. Then we'll know about why this lead automation is important. And lastly, an engaging live demonstration. Now let's deep dive into the challenges in manual lead profiling. First is the difficulty in focusing on growth. Manual sorting of leads often leads to ineffective targeting, hindering business expansion effort. Secondly, compromise productivity and consistency. Spending more time on tasks instead of strategic activities leads to less productivity, of course, and consistency in results. Lastly, is the data decay. Well, regular manual updates are essential to prevent information from becoming outdated, a task that is both time consuming and prone to errors as well. Now, let's discover the game changer, which is lead profiling automation. Lead profiling automation is designed to streamline and enhance the lead profiling process for businesses. This system not only personalizes sales strategies but also aimed at helping organizations identify and prioritize high quality leads, thereby improving productivity, conversion rates, and the driving growth. By automating this aspect of the sales process, businesses can reduce the time and resources spent on manual sorting, allowing for a more efficient and targeting approach. By the help of this lead profile automation, we can personalize the sales strategies. It's a design that empowers businesses to zoom in on high potential leads. So you can identify or prioritize your high quality leads, which definitely may increase the productivity, improve your conversion rates, and driving growth as well. All right, now is the time for the epic showdown, which is traditional lead generation versus automated lead profiling. Talking about the old school warriors, which is traditional lead generation, it leads generated through radio, commercial print media, and TV ads, which is very time consuming and it hampers sales cycle, resulting in delays in sales closure. On other hand, if we talk about the futuristic champion, which is automated lead profiling, it's stealing the scene with streamline and automate the process of nurturing potential lead, and its real-time insight is very eye-catchy and which turbocharge the ROI as well and enhance the productivity. Now, a question can hit on your mind is why this lead profile automation is that important. Well, it's not just about the efficiency, it's staying relevant in rapidly evolving market. Automatic lead profiling can quickly adapt to market changes and the customer needs, ensuring your business remain at the forefront of innovation and customer satisfaction. So you can say this lead profile automation is your rocket fuel. By using this lead profile automation, you can streamline the process of identifying and scoring the potential leads, boost the quantity of qualified leads, and refine the ideal customer profile, effortlessly connect with CRM platforms for a cohesive overview of customer information, and lastly, geared towards account executive SDRs and prospective customers who submit inquiries. Now let's have a look of the demonstration of today, where we showcase the lead profile automation. Well, this is the process flow designer where we have designed a flow between few applications. We have used CRM, Dynamics 365 CRM, Apollo, as well as ChatGPT for AI, and we have used the Teams as well. Well, how the process happened. Whenever we got any leads, we have only few information about that lead. For example, maybe the lead name, or maybe the application they're looking for, or maybe the email. That's it. Now only these three informations are not enough to finalize or to analyze that particular lead. That's the reason lead profile automation is important and analyzing a lead is very important. So, what we can do, we can have this information, of course, so we can find out the lead details to to the Apollo or any other tool and get the entire information about that particular lead. Maybe the revenue, the entire company address, the extra information, the applications they are using in their organization, etc. etc. So, what we have done, whenever we got any lead here in the Dynamics 365 CRM, we have just few information. Now, through this flow, what will happen? It will fetch this information and pass it to the Apollo. And in the Apollo side, it will find the details about the customer. For example, what is the customer company full name? What is the website? What are the application they're looking for? What is the current revenue of that particular company? And the address information, etc. etc. Now, once we got all of this information from Apollo, what we do, we'll roll back or update back it to the CRM again. So now we will have all the information about that particular customer. And through just one click, not only it will do the update, but also it will send specific or personalized email by using ChatGPT or AI tool to that specific customer, and we'll send the first email, first sales email to that particular customer. Well, it's just a real-time integration with just one flow. It will update all the information as well as it will personalize an email and it will send it to the particular customer. Now, what I am doing, I have executed that, and once it is updated, it will give you an the messages as well. Now you can see we have received the Teams here, Teams notification here. Now I'm going to the mail ID. So here you can see I just have added one random mail or test mail ID currently here. So I got an email which is totally personalized based on the details I received from the Apollo. And I'm going back to the CRM, and you can see the extra information. Previously I only have the topic name, first and last name. Now the job title, the business phone number, the other information, you can see the job title is here updated, the company name is updated, the website, the city, and the total address and all information which we got from Apollo, everything has updated here. The LinkedIn ID of that particular contact person, the annual revenue, all these details, whatever we have found out from the Apollo, we have updated here, and it is totally automated, so we don't have to manually do it. So it will definitely it turbocharge our lead profile analyzing. That's it. And here is the email. You can see what we have received, and we have framed this email by using the chat gpt or the AI tool, any type of AI tool we can use here. For this demo purpose only, we have used these Teams, and for the notification, and we have used the Outlook. But rather than that, for any kind of application, if you're looking for the integration, we can do that. So this is all about the demo. If you have any question or answer, you can write down on the chat. So I have few question on the chat board. Let me check that. So first of all is apart from this Apollo, whether we can able to connect with any other profiling tool or not. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course we can do that. Not only with Apollo, for this demo purpose only or for this time only, we have connected or integrated with Apollo, but with any other application, if you would like to do the synchronization, that is possible. Whether it is real time or not, yeah, it can be totally automated, so you can set this as real time, as well as you can set the timer. We have an event timer section where you can set your timing minutely, hourly, or daily basis. So you can set a timer. Based on that only the data will get synced. So if you set 1 minute, so every 1 minute this entire flow will synchronize automatically. We don't need to trigger anything or update anything. It will automatically do the synchronization. All right. So the next question is whether we can able to connect Gmail or with any other mail or not. Yeah, currently we have added only the Outlook just for this demo purpose, but we have ready adapters for Gmail as well, and any other email if you want to add here, that is possible. As I mentioned, just for this demo purpose, we have added Teams and Outlook just to showcase a POC how this automation actually works. But any integration we can any kind of application, if you're looking for to integrate we can do that. First of all, the API should be there to connect, and our AppSeConnect integration is based on APIs and web services. So if anyone can provide those things, we can connect that. Well, apart from this, if you have any other question, you can write down on the chat, or you can send us over email also. And Let me go to the next slide, which is our future enhancement, like in future how we can enhance this lead profile automation integration. Basically, right now we have done with only one particular sales tool, which is Apollo, but in future we want to do streamlining process with enhanced compatibility for seamless collaboration with various sales engagement tool as well. Nextly, we don't want to bound it only for you know only with the Apollo. Also, Google Workspace integration we are looking for, advancing this efficiency by integrating with Google Workspace and ensuring a more cohesive and productive work environment. Well, thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope this session has provided you valuable insight in how lead profile automation can revolutionize your approach to managing the leads. If you have any question or would like to further information, please feel free to reach out to us, and let's connect and explore how we can transform your lead management process together.